providing the facility management services for the 3 new hostels. And I would like to welcome the team from Quest who are on site and will introduce their institution and show us the facilities with respect to 3 things that we want to evaluate. One is housekeeping services, second is facility management services, and third, and which we are very keen to see, because housekeeping Quest we already have IIT Delhi as a site, so we are familiar. We would like you to focus more on facility management, value added services, and food court and F&B services. Right. So I request the Quest team to introduce themselves, please, and then let's go through this thing.
Sure,
Yes,
ma'am.
over to you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Atul Gupta, and I head the sales for North Region. And first of all, I would like to thank each and every committee member who has actually given us this opportunity to present or show the services that we are managing at Manipal University, Jaipur. So I'll just take a uh, round and I'll just show you the facility first. So this is the Manipal Jaipur campus that we are managing end-to-end services in terms of like facility management, housekeeping, security, engineering services, horticulture, and pest control, including food services and hostel management. So this is the administrative block of the campus, and this is all the academic building. And right opposite to that, this is the hostel that we are managing. It's the complete hostel building.
What is the capacity of the hostel?
It is somewhere around 5,600 beds, 5,600 plus beds,
In
with
one
around
hostel?
1,000 plus
In
rooms.
one hostel?
It's a complete hostel. I'll just show you. So here
Yeah.
you can see our security services. So it is being managed by us only. It is through cares only. This is the hostel campus, ma'am. So you can see that building on the right. This is the complete administrative block and boys hostel. And this is the building which you can see on left side. It is the complete girls hostel. So it has around 3 blocks each. If you can see 1, 2, and 3. And similar, we have a for boys hostel as well. In last of the building, we have a utility block, which is basically having the
Thank you.
utility operations services. So from here, I will hand over this call, or I will ask my colleague Sheenu and Deepak to just take you around inside the hostel building of basically boys hostel. Sheenu, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah,
So can we have just one visual, the one that you want to show us? Can we have just
yes, yes.
one visual?
So
Yeah,
we have a
please.
demo
Yes.
Thank
ready
you.
for
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
we have
Thank you.
a demo ready for the single occupancy and double occupancy. 1 minute.
Atulji, sorry. Tino just
This is a single occupancy room.
This is single occupancy.
Yes.
ओके. हाँ, पर सोफा की जगह नहीं है हमारे यहाँ.
In this room only, the washroom is attached.
For every this thing, single.
Every room we have a washroom attached.
Okay. All right.
And this is our corridor.
Okay.
And next we have planned for the double occupancy. This is a double occupancy room.
Okay.
There we are having the study table as well. And Almira facility is there. And this washroom is attached.
Okay.
So for every room, we have a washroom attached and the single occupancy and double occupancy as per the student's requirement.
Okay. And what is the frequency of cleaning these rooms? inside the rooms and bathrooms?
Cleaning of the room frequency.
Thrice in a week, ma'am, we attend the room in thrice in a week. If any kind of condition is there, student give a call to us, or
Twice a week for rooms and
Yes.
bathrooms also?
each and everything. Whenever they will come to attend the room, they will cover all the things: room, washroom, everything.
Okay. Is it on demand or do you have a schedule of cleaning?
Ma'am, so there is two things. One is scheduled cleaning is thrice in a week, and second is on demand. If any urgency is there in the room, so student can call the housekeeping team and they can give the service at that moment of time.
All right.
So now we'll Atul, can we go to the food court?
Yeah, we can go to the food court. And in the meantime, Shinu, I would request you to just show them the utility block as well after food court. So, Manish, over to you.
Yeah. Manish, over to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all the members. Myself, Manish Papa, I head the food services for the Northern region. I am presently at Jaipur, and I will take you through the cafeteria and the host and the food court management. How we manage here.
Okay.
So I will just show you. This is the total overview of the cafeteria in the Manipal University. When the students comes, we have a card system, actually meal cards. So I'll just take
You have a
through
card system.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Every student is having a card, meal card. Whenever they come for using the cafeteria, they have to show the card in this card reader machine, and I'll show you how the card looks like.
And there is somebody manning this space?
No, ma'am. This is automatic, ma'am. Once the students show the card in the card reader, the coupon will be generated from here, ma'am. And the token and the student has to take the token.
All right. So every meal is on the basis of a coupon. I think that's
Right,
a
ma'am,
good
right.
system. What do you say, Prasannima? Food court. So this takes care of that problem कि आपने कार्ड स्वाइप किया या नहीं किया वाला इशू जो जिसके लिए हमें कोई लगाना पड़ेगा. So is this what you are proposing for our system also? Yes, Manish.
Yes, ma'am.
IIT में भी आपका यही रहेगा कि entrance of the food court पे there will be a scanner.
Ma'am, I need to check. I am actually not sure whether it is proposed there or not.
See, the
I'll
whole
just get back to
purpose
you.
of
Just allow me some time.
yeah, the whole purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll make a note of the things that we
Sure,
will
ma'am.
discuss with your team. Yeah.
Because
Okay,
here,
please go
ma'am,
on.
the system is actually, I'll tell you, ma'am, here the system is actually being provided by Manipal
Can you be a bit
University.
louder, please? थोड़ा
Am I audible now, ma'am? अभी ठीक है?
थोड़ा वॉल्यूम बढ़ा रहे हैं अपना. एक सेकंड होल्ड कीजिए प्लीज.
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, please go on.
Yeah, ma'am. So here this system is actually being provided by Manipal University itself.
Okay.
So we are just operating that system. So if that system need to be implemented anywhere, so we can do that also, ma'am.
Okay, we are also actually in the process of developing our own system, but it will have to be discussed with you. So that is one point that we'll discuss. Okay. सपना ये नोट करके रखना कल टीम के साथ. हाँ, ठीक है.
Ma'am, I'll just take you through the cafeteria mass management. So
So
once the
just-
coupon is generated,
Yeah, just a minute, Manish. This is a food court come mess. मतलब
No,
food
no,
court ही है.
yes.
हाँ. What is this?
This is the ma'am cafeteria, ma'am, cafeteria, student dining, ma'am.
Student dining हम उनको mess बोलते हैं ना.
Same thing. Yes.
Mess area है. तो entrance पे आप पूरा कैमरा ऊपर कीजिए तो so that we can see your reception where you enter.
This is the ma'am. In front of this, there is a hostel block is there, ma'am.
Okay.
In front of the cafe.
Okay.
I'll just. This is the entire ma'am. Mass, ma'am.
So it is basically an open kind of environment, ma'am. So there is no door for this.
अच्छा, there is no door.
No door. So it's an open kind of environment.
तो
And there's
ये
a complete
एक
open
मिनट प्लीज
cafeteria.
कैमरा इतना मूव मत करिए, थोड़ा सा कैमरा को स्लो मूव कीजिए, जस्ट कीप इट फोकस्ड एट सम सो वी कैन सी. सो देन देयर इज दैट मींस दैट दिस स्पेस इज नॉट एयर कंडीशनड ऑब्वियसली. You have
Yes,
fans?
This
fan
is not,
there.
ma'am. Actually, they
Yes,
have
yes.
two. I'll tell you, ma'am. We have actually two dining areas. So
Okay.
one is this one. The ground floor is not air conditioned. First floor is, I think, it is covered and it is air conditioned.
Okay. All right.
And in we have one more food court that is inside the academic block. So that is
Okay.
again air conditioned,
That's
and it is
okay.
also being
Yeah.
managed by us as well.
All right. So first step is they enter and scan their card and generate a coupon. Is that right?
Right,
Right.
ma'am.
All right. Then the student goes to.
They will take the coupon, ma'am, and they will go to the plate counter, ma'am, which is right
Okay.
here in the pillar, ma'am, near the pillar. We have plate counter. Our F&B staff will be standing right over there with the plates. Once they will
Okay.
show the coupons, we'll collect the coupon and we'll issue the plate to the students.
Okay.
So this is a proper accountability is there.
Okay.
So once that they will take the coupons from here plate, then this is
This is a sitting area.
This is a sitting area, ma'am. It is a capacity of 700 sitting pre-COVID. And with the COVID scenario, ma'am, we have reduced the sitting and one table with one chair.
So 700 people can sit and eat at one time?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Okay.
at ground floor, we have a sitting capacity of 700. Same sitting capacity we have at the first floor also. So it is all
Okay.
put together. It is 1400.
Okay.
That is the capacity we used to run pre-COVID. And after this COVID scenario has come up, so we are operating with around 170 seating
That's
on
okay.
both floors, ma'am.
That's all
Yeah.
right. We
So we have
are more
reduced. So we
concerned
are
with
maintaining the social distancing here.
the.
So
Okay.
one table and one chair. That is the concept that we have introduced here.
Okay. Show us the food counters now, please.
Yes, ma'am. This is a small tuck shop inside the math, ma'am. If the student
Okay.
wanted to have some soft drink or anything, they can buy it from here. This is the inside the math only. We manage a small tuck shop here.
So this is a pay and eat kind of counter.
Yes.
Right,
Cash and
right,
carry.
ma'am. Right, ma'am. Right.
Okay. So इसके लिए कूपन जनरेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है?
No. They have to pay, ma'am. Pay through the. We have a
Okay.
different
Ma'am,
payment
through
gateway.
electronic mode only. So we have
Okay.
a POS system there. So they have to
Okay.
scan this barcode and pay. We don't
Okay.
entertain cash transactions here, ma'am.
All right.
And at the same time, we also have the feedback mechanism also.
हमारा भी वही है. हमारा भी वही है.
Ma'am, I will show you the feedback mechanism which we have introduced looking at the COVID scenario.
एक
This is the
So,
feedback
wait,
feedback, ma'am.
हम लोग देखें. हाँ, ठीक है. Please go on.
Ma'am,
I
these
was
are
just
the
explaining
benefits,
to
ma'am.
them about
तो
feedback
ये तो
mechanism
आपका
and the-
पे एंड ईट. नो एक मिनट सुनिए. ये तो आपका पे एंड ईट हो गया, लेकिन आपका जो रेगुलर मील है जिसके लिए उसने कूपन जनरेट किया है वो ये वाला
Yes.
काउंटर. दिस इज द
Yeah, this
काउंटर.
is the counter Ben Mary. We are
Okay.
maintaining the social distancing. We have done some marking here, ma'am. So
All that
people
is
have
okay.
to maintain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Yeah, these are the
Okay.
sanitizer, ma'am. Hand sanitizer put on the before the student enters. So these are queue manager also we have put. So students follow the proper queue and these are the Ben Marys, ma'am.
So this is always a kind of a buffet system, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be served here. Hot food will be served here, and the students serve themselves, or does your staff serve them?
Ma'am, pre-COVID it's a self-service, ma'am. But due to the COVID scenario, ma'am, to avoid the less contact, so our staff is serving, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
In the COVID.
So ये आपका आउटडोर काउंटर है सिर्फ, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये
Ma'am, we
पूरा
have such counter, multiple counters in the inside this mess, ma'am. And
ओ
chapati, what we do, for chapati, ma'am, we have a live station chapati here. We have 2 machines for chapati, which is here. I'll just take you through.
अच्छा chapati is in the food court, it's not in the kitchen.
Not, ma'am. In the yes, ma'am.
अच्छा
In the
it's in
mess.
the kitchen.
So
Okay.
we have installed 2 chapati machines here, which is inside this kiosk. So people can have the hot chapati live from here.
नहीं समझ नहीं आया कहाँ से? Where is your chapati
Ma'am,
machine?
the chapati machine is not here right now because due to the COVID we have removed. But this counter you're seeing, na, ma'am, orange color.
हाँ
Inside this we put the chapati machine.
okay. And वहाँ से सर्व हो जाती है.
यहाँ से सर्व हो जाती है, मैम. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that
Ma'am,
takes care of
since
ठंडी
due
चपाती
to
गरम
due to
चपाती
of the
वाला चीज.
yes, so due
हाँ
to
बताइए.
COVID scenario, we have just shifted that machine inside the kitchen area itself.
Okay.
So that is the reason why we are not operating live counter as of now. But earlier, when this mass runs on full capacity, so we
ठीक
have
है.
2 chapati machines which are placed inside the mass area itself.
Okay.
Now I will take you through the first floor, ma'am,
I
where
have
we
one
have
more
a
question. I have one more question. The equipment that you have in the kitchen with respect to the chapati making and such, are they your own or have they been provided to you by the Manipal Institute?
Ma'am, recently we bought a 5 chapati machine. Earlier, we have a vendor, outsourced vendor. He managed the chapati, but chapati quality was not so good. Then we bought this, high-end chapati machines, and the chapati capacity is 850 chapati in an hour. And fantastic. I'll give you the video what kind of chapati we are serving here.
Both of we also have machines, but the quality. हाँ.
Automatic chapati machine. The quality is
हाँ,
really
हमारे में-
fantastic, ma'am.
No,
Here,
my
in the
question
ground.
is कि जो fix. No, my question is something else.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
just चपाती मशीन बट जैसे बेन मेरीज हैं या जो भी किचन के अंदर आपका इक्विपमेंट है, इज दैट ओन्ड बाय यू और इज दैट
This is given.
इंस्टीट्यूट्स? या
Ma'am, this is given by client, but this chapati machine is by us. Recently, we bought this.
ओके.
All the equipments are from
एवरीथिंग
client,
एल्स इज बाय मणिपाल.
Manipal University.
Hmm.
In the
Ma'am,
ground floor,
major
we are
kitchen
managing 5 Ben
equipment.
Marys. In the ground floor, we are managing 5 Ben Marys. Students, when student take plate, he can go any counter. The plate is the symbol. He has take the coupon. He can go any
So-
counter.
So my question is that we will also be purchasing all this equipment. Do you think you will be able to help us in making decisions regarding these, which one to buy
Yes,
and
ma'am.
things
Yes.
like that? What
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
capacity
ma'am.
to buy? You have
Ma'am, we
that
do-
kind of experience.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We will be providing some-
Manipal Hospital is opened by us, and all the consultancy is given by us. The equipments and the infrastructure, we have given this
All right. ठीक है.
laid out.
आगे चलिए.
Ma'am, we even have a team who can help you for the designing also of the kitchen and cafeteria.
Yeah. Okay. Prasanima, you have a question? Okay. Please go on.
I will take you to the first floor, ma'am, where we operate a food court in the same building, ma'am.
And same strength. 700 people can sit upstairs as well as ma'am.
Ma'am, due to the COVID, ma'am, the counters are actually not operational. So this is the first floor, ma'am, where we operate the food court, and it's the sitting capacity for the people who 700 sitting capacity upstairs also.
आपने किचन नहीं दिखाया हमको.
Ma'am,
Kitchen, after
after
that,
this.
after this, we'll take you to the kitchen also, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Food court is important part. So
Yeah. No, that's fine.
these are the counters, ma'am. We have different cuisine counter here. If you're seeing here,
The one is health bar, ma'am. Another is South Indian food, and 3
Okay.
counters. 3 counters are there. These are retail cum food court, ma'am. Upstairs. Health
So,
bar, in
हाँ,
health
मतलब
bar, we are
special
serving.
items, pay and eat, and then base
Yes,
food भी यहाँ पर मिलेगा. So, do you have? So you are cooking at one place only and serving at two places, is it?
ma'am, upstairs in tuck shops, we have cooking equipment inside the tuck shops. Most of the equipment we have inside the tuck shops, ma'am.
तो cooking
And
यहाँ
I'll
भी
show you
आप
the
यहाँ भी cooking
cooking,
कर रहे हैं? अच्छा, हाँ, cooking
cooking
कर
yes,
रहे
यहाँ
हैं.
yes,
भी
yes,
होती है,
ma'am.
ma'am.
If you see, ma'am, if
Okay.
you see can inside the
South Indian और ये
ma'am.
जिसको चाहिए उसको, okay, ठीक है, fine.
This is health bar, ma'am. In health bar,
Okay.
we are serving all healthy foods, salads, fruits, eggs, boiled chicken,
This is the kitchen
milk,
inside, ma'am.
juices.
The food court.
Air cooled है,
The menu,
coolers.
these are the menus if we have, ma'am. Menu offering.
Okay.
Similar 3 counters are there on the other side. If you can, I can show you from here. Similar food court.
Ma'am, here again, we take only digital payment. Cash is not allowed, ma'am,
Okay.
due to this COVID. This is pandemic time.
So हमारा
Only,
जो इधर वाला है, that is something like this, 2 floors,
okay.
है ना?
Ma'am, ground floor is our ground floor is totally dining, and first floor dining plus retail counters, ma'am.
टक शॉप तो नीचे भी है ना आपका एक?
Yes, ma'am. We have 4
Yes,
tuck shops
yes.
in the hostels, and 3 are also in the hostel, and one I show you in the ground floor, ma'am.
Ma'am, we manage a similar kind of food court in the academic block also, 3.
Okay.
So, ma'am,
Now
if
I will
I
take
just conclude it in a this complete setup, we have 2 food courts with a sitting capacity of 1400 each, ground and first floor, and then we have 4 tuck shops, 2 inside the hostel building and 2 inside the academic block.
Now, ma'am, I will take you to the kitchen tour.
These are the hand wash.
Handovers, ma'am.
आपका किचन डिजाइन वगैरह कौन करते हैं?
Ma'am, this kitchen design, it's done by our chef, corporate chef. It is Dinesh Paliyal. 9 years back, he designed this kitchen.
So you have a team which does kitchen design also,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
and
This is,
they plan the menu also, is it?
yes, ma'am.
Right,
Yes.
right, right.
Menu, ma'am, we prepared, and we proposed to this student committee, food committee, and we take the decision from the students, and we final the menu. After this, we final the menu for entire week.
And recipes, what about recipes?
We have recipe management. We have bank for the recipes. Our corporate chef, Mr. Paliyal, Roshan chef, he made entire recipe bank, and across the side, we follow these recipe only.
ठीक
He is
है.
our
Fine.
corporate chef, man. Roshan chef.
Okay, fine.
He made the recipe bank and entire across sites, quest. We follow these recipes only. This is the main entry of main kitchen.
We will take you through the kitchen. So we have a visitor policies here. So entry is restricted to only the authorized people.
Cap.
Before entering the kitchen, there is a cap holder. The people have to wear a mandatory cap and has to sanitize themselves before entering to the kitchen.
This is only during COVID, or otherwise also they will
No,
always.
no. Otherwise, ma'am, this is a standard protocol we follow for the end before entering to a kitchen. People have to wear a net cap and has to sanitize.
ठीक है.
And this is the hand wash station for the people, staff working inside the kitchen. So every 1 hour is a protocol. People have to leave the job and have to come for a hand washing. Due to the COVID also, it is made compulsory for all the staff to wash
Okay.
and sanitize themselves.
Okay.
These are some personal hygiene SOPs which we follow here, ma'am. This has been put up here for the staff information also.
Education wall.
This is the education wall. I'll show you some SOPs which has been put up here. So the staff who is working there, they are aware of these are the standards we follow here.
CT scan लग रहा है वो तो मुझे।
Ma'am, these are basically the complete SOPs which we have printed on a paper and pasted on the wall so that everybody who is working in the kitchen can clearly see their SOPs on daily basis, even 10 times a day whenever they pass through this wall.
ये तो
So
इंग्लिश
they
में
can
है सारे
religiously follow
आपके,
these things.
इंग्लिश
मैम
में है।
इंग्लिश में भी है मैम, हिंदी अभी हमने डेवलप करवाया, वी हैव नॉट इम्प्लीमेंटेड ड्यू टू द कोविड मैम एजुकेशन
आपका स्टाफ हिंदी तो इंग्लिश थोड़ी पढ़ पाता होगा।
Ma'am, ये सभी तरह से रहता है. Even for the other regions, we have in regional language also, but that is in the process. So printing is actually stopped because of current COVID situation. So it will be implemented everywhere.
ठीक है।
Ma'am,
Fine.
in addition, we have training team as well as stationed here training,
Okay.
and one person is for quality management. He is stationed here, ma'am.
Okay.
He take regular trainings and briefings for entire staff, ma'am. Periodically basis. Ma'am,
What is the frequency of these trainings?
ma'am, every day we have a briefing and
अच्छा,
debriefing.
every day.
And yes.
And
Ma'am,
what is
briefing is
the,
every day, but trainings are there and
team is-
once in a week, ma'am. We do a major training.
अच्छा,
Our team is 200 odd people, ma'am, for this kitchen operation. And every day there's some bunch of group we make sure they get trained. And another day some bunch of group we train, like retail counters people, banquet team we have retail team, we have food court team, kitchen team, stewarding team, these kind of team, and every day there is schedule for them for training.
okay, fine.
Ma'am, this is inside the kitchen, ma'am. This is a non-veg preparation area. We have segregated properly differently. Where only the non-veg is prepared.
Ma'am,
Okay.
this chula, this burner is for, we have in-house
Fire separation system also installed. In case of any fire, ma'am, it automatically on
blanket. This is the non-veg kitchen preparation area.
Okay, so non-veg kitchen is separate.
Yes, ma'am.
What about your cold rooms and things?
I will show you, ma'am. I will show you that. I'm going there only.
I must say,
This is the ma'am SOP for the cold room which we maintain here, and this is the cold room. But right now, this is not operational right now, ma'am. I'll show you. I'll just open this. Light.
come.
Hmm.
This is ma'am cold room,
Okay.
and this is deep freezer, -18. The temperature is -18 for this.
Okay.
We keep here all the samples, food samples and everything. Green
Ma'am,
peas,
we store
corn,
food samples for 72 hours. Whatever food has been prepared, ma'am, for the students, as per the process, FSI guidelines, we store the food samples for 72 hours. In case any food poisoning or any complaint comes, we can send those food samples for a lab for testing.
ma'am, this is our daily cooking area, ma'am. This
Sorry?
is our daily cooking area. Where, ma'am, this is our
This
cooking
is
area.
bulk cooking area, ma'am.
Okay.
All the
Okay.
students' meals is being prepared here.
Okay.
Bulk cooking is here, and the batch-wise cooking is different area. We'll show you. This is our day store, ma'am. We come inside the day store. We have in ground -1. We have main store. Here we keep all the store, and this is our day store, ma'am. In a day, what we consume, we bring upstairs and keep here only.
Okay.
Whatever the day-to-day requirement, we keep it in the day store, ma'am, and we have a main store in the ground floor, basement 1, ma'am.
What is the frequency for buying of dry rations for you typically?
Ma'am, every day we have to buy, ma'am. There's different vendors we have. Like dal, we have different vendor. Besan, we have different. Atta, we have different. All are FSI approved vendor, and all vendors are approved by our Bangalore team, procurement team, and every day we got supply. Whenever we required,
कभी किसी
we,
चीज की कभी किसी चीज हम्म
yes, ma'am.
नहीं
Ma'am,
बट मान
ma'am,
लीजिए
perishable items,
माय सॉरी
ma'am,
माय
perishable item like a dairy. Hello, I'll explain you, ma'am. Ma'am, perishable item like a vegetable and the dairy item we purchase daily, ma'am. And the
ओके
grocery item once in a 15 days, ma'am.
हाँ दैट्स व्हाट आई
Through our,
वांटेड
through our, through our registered supplier, ma'am. And before onboarding a supplier, we have a proper audit and we do proper vendor audit before onboarding a vendor. We do audit their warehouses if they are properly maintaining the hygiene or food safety or not as per the FSI guidelines. Then only we onboard those vendors.
वॉशिंग एरिया दिखाइए आपका बिग डिशेस वाला वॉशिंग और प्लेट वॉशिंग कहाँ है
Will show, 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 will show. Ma'am, first we'll show you the main kitchen, then we go for washing area, ma'am.
ओके
Ma'am, these are the combi ovens, ma'am. We have for veg and non-veg both different.
Ma'am, for this combi oven, I'll explain what is the use of this combi oven, ma'am. Here we don't boil, we don't fry it, we only roast here, ma'am. Roast and steam in this combi oven. If you want boiled potato, we put in this. This is the trolley. We put all the potatoes in trays and keep inside this like show. Open it and put it this trolley inside.
आपका कैमरा कॉन्स्टेंटली हिल रहा है देयर इज इट्स नॉट फोकस्ड एंड इट्स
मनीष कैमरा थोड़ा स्टेबल रखिए आप
हाँ जरा अच्छे बंदे को रखना चाहिए था हाँ ठीक है या
this is the combi oven, this is the trolley. We keep all the material like in this tray. Keep this tray.
Okay.
If we roast chicken, we keep chicken in this tray.
Okay.
And we roast on the required temperatures. The temperature monitor is here, ma'am.
Okay.
In this machine, we can roast in one go 1,500 potatoes, ma'am. In one go.
1,500 in numbers or kg?
1,200 kg potatoes in one go.
1,200 kg. Wow.
In one go. And
what is the duration? What is the duration?
Ma'am, it takes only 45 minutes to roast them. We don't boil potato, ma'am, here.
It's much healthier. It's much healthier and faster. 45 minutes में 1,200 kg. Okay. So what is this called? This is called a roasting machine. What is it?
This combi oven, ma'am. Combi oven is what?
Combi oven. Okay. All right.
In the combi oven, you can do steam and roast together.
Okay.
If you want steam and roast together, you can do in this machine. If you want roast, you can do in this machine, in the same machine. If you want steam, in the same machine, you can steam. Idlis, you can steam here. Even chicken, we can roast here. Chicken is a separate combi oven is there for non-veg.
All right.
Yes, this is for non-veg. Bhindi, bangan, everything we don't fry, ma'am. We roast.
Achha, you don't fry at all. You roast it.
Yes, ma'am. We roast only.
That's very nice. That saves a lot of calories.
Calories, ma'am. Even water saving, ma'am. There is a lot of water saving.
Water saving, of course. Power saving.
Even rice, ma'am. Don't boil rice. We roast, we steam rice.
अच्छा वो भी इसी में बनाते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
पतीलों में?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
पतीलों में नहीं बनाते?
No, ma'am. There is a lot of water saving in this from this machine, ma'am. This is our boiling area, ma'am. Here we boil tea and coffee.
ठीक है.
Here we keep all the patilas, big patilas,
all the big utensils.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is our banquet cooking area.
Okay.
Here, whatever a banquet in academic block, like VC floor or Pro VC floor, registrar, there is some order. We cook here. That area, what we have show you in first, that is our student cooking area. This is our for banqueting. For
स्पेशलिटी
banqueting, yes, ma'am.
तो इसको अलग क्यों रखा हुआ है? इसमें क्या अलग मतलब
Ma'am,
क्या अलग?
that burners are small height burner. The big patila can put we can put big patila on the small burners. This is high end, like house ranges like that. We can
Okay.
cook small quantity.
ओके ओके आपने बल्क कुकिंग का बर्नर नहीं दिखाया हमको.
Bulk cooking, ma'am. First, what we have showed you in first burners. These are the burners for bulk cooking.
ओके
One more burner is are here, ma'am, for bulk cooking. Here we can fry puris and everything. This is for bulk cooking burner.
Okay.
Here, ma'am, we peel potatoes. But this is wet grind area, ma'am. We peel potato here. We grind gravies.
ओके
Can you see this area?
या
It is a wet area, ma'am.
ओके
Wet grind area.
ओके
All is high-end equipment are here, ma'am.
Okay.
These are chapati machines. Now we keep inside the kitchen. Earlier it was in food court.
ओके
People can take fresh chapati from this machine, and we keep some chapati in hot case as well as. Those who are in hurry, they can take from hot case. Those who want this fresh chapati, who can take from this machine. The
This
speed
machine is
is
not proper.
850 chapatis in hour.
ओके
This is not in use, ma'am, because due to COVID, only one chapati is sufficient. That's why we put this bandages on this machine.
And when you make puri or bhatura, you are able to meet
Yes,
the
ma'am, yes.
speed. How
Ma'am,
many
in
how many kadais will you put?
Ma'am, in breakfast, every Sunday there is chola bhatura for students, for 5,000 students, and we put 3 kalai for them.
मस्त. हाँ ठीक है बढ़िया.
Three big kadai, ma'am. And parathas weekly 2 times. Parathas in breakfast. Breakfast is lavish menu. I'll give you the printout of our main menu pattern, ma'am.
ठीक है. That's okay. Anything else? Anything
Ma'am,
else that you want to show
Ma'am,
us?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
हाँ जल्दी से दिखा दीजिए please in the next 5 minutes. Wash
This is
area.
our cold room, running cold room, ma'am. This
Sorry?
is our running cold room where we keep. This is our running cold room, ma'am. So that cold room, it is
Achha,
switch
cold
off.
room.
This is switch on cold. Yes, cold room.
Okay.
We operate only one cold room right now because less occupancy. This is we keep all tags, everything every day. Like as you can see,
Yeah.
the
What is?
manufacturing date is 7 and the expiry date 9. You can see this tag there.
Okay.
There is written 7th is manufacturing date, 9th is expiring date.
This is for what?
This is for
Ma'am, this will actually, we have a shelf life for every item which we usually prepare in the F&B. So
Hey,
to
shelf-
monitor the shelf
shelf-
life for shelf life, they who is working in the kitchen, so they can have a proper check on the shelf life, what time it has been prepared and what is the expiry date. So after the expiry date, we have to do not use this product. So that it can be our food.
नहीं, are these cooked? Are these products cooked food?
No. These are the gravies, ma'am. Actually, if you see gravies, chutney.
अच्छा. Pre-prepared gravies.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So you prepare
These are-
some things and keep them ready na, for quick this thing. All right.
Some
हाँ,
dairy items also which you buy from directly through the vendor. It has also a shelf life.
Okay. All right.
That has been monitored from here.
ठीक है. समझ गए. तो ये आपने कोल्ड रूम में रखे हुए हैं with the date of man. All right.
Yeah, with a date tag.
Fine.
ma'am, we are managing bakery as well as here. In the current scenario, we have shut down this bakery because less crowd.
So you have special chefs for bakery items? How is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Special team, ma'am.
So
He is the Mahipal.
bakery is a specialty thing, or do you make it? You
Ma'am, it
serve
is,
every day एक आध item. अच्छा bread तो बनता ही होगा रोज.
ma'am, breakfast bread we made in house, and every day in snacks in a week, 2 times we serve bakery product like pizza and this donuts, some puffs, this kind of product we take from bakery and serve in the evening snacks.
Okay, fine.
In our
Fine.
tuck shops, all the tuck shop across the tuck shops, we have all this bakery products are there, like cake, pastries, puffs, burgers. This kind of product we produce from bakery and keep in tuck shops now.
So can anybody who is not a student also come and buy these products?
Yes, ma'am. Even faculty members they buy breads, baguettes from us.
Okay.
Cake are very nice from here, ma'am. Every faculty members they buy cakes from us only, ma'am.
हाँ सही है ठीक है fine that's very
Ma'am,
nice.
this is the plate wash area, ma'am. Hello, you are interested
Yeah.
to see the plate wash, no, ma'am? Plate wash and the dishwash area.
Yeah.
This is the plate wash, ma'am, where the used plate is landed here by the student from this
Okay.
window.
Okay.
So from here, ma'am, it has been, and this is the ma'am plate wash area, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
This is a
all
manual
washing
action.
is manual.
This is
You
manual.
don't have any dishwasher.
We have big machine are is here, ma'am. That is
Okay.
in another plate wash area. There are 2 plate wash area in the ground floor, 2 plate wash area at first floor. Their student can dispose their plate from there. They take our housekeeping. They scrap the plate and put in the machine. Machine is here. I'll show you in a minute. Dishwashing machine. From this dishwashing machine, the plates wash and sanitize.
Capacity बहुत है ना capacity बहुत है they can install big dishwashing machines है.
This is the machine, ma'am. This is the ma'am winter hotter machine, ma'am. Plates are washed, sanitized, and it is the machine and this is the entire machine, ma'am.
So ये
And the
conveyor
temperature
is there a conveyor? Is there a conveyor in this machine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, do you want to see our store area? Where main store area? Yeah, that is in -1.
-1?
Yes, ma'am.
What
That
is
is in
minus?
basement, ma'am.
Basement.
Main store area, ma'am. You want to see that store?
No,
ma'am?
no, that's okay. Waste management कैसे कर रहे हैं आप लोग जो
Ma'am,
एक तो
Ma'am, whatever comes from plate waste, we keep
हाँ,
and we weight that waste and we display this waste to a wall.
ठीक है.
There
That's
student can
fine. But
see.
what do you do with that waste?
Ma'am, there is a responsible guy here.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the food waste, what we do, ma'am? We have an OVC machine here, organic waste converter. All the food waste is been put up there in the organic waste converter. Put into the
और उसका slurry
garden.
Okay. And the kitchen waste, what do you do with the kitchen waste? Organic waste जो रहता है?
The organic waste, I told you, food waste is used in put it in the organic waste converter, and that is used in, for the gardening for the manure.
Okay.
And the dry waste, ma'am, we have a vendor, registered vendor that will take, ma'am. Once in a
Dry waste.
whenever we
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one good thing is from this machine, ma'am. We put all the waste in this machine and we get manure plus this gas as well as, ma'am. In a day, we get 1.5 cylinder from this machine, ma'am. From
तो वो
kitchen
गैस
waste.
यूज कर रहे हैं आप?
Yes, ma'am. That burner, what I have showed you in first, when we enter in the kitchen, that is the burner for that gas.
ठीक है. Fine.
This is our best practices, ma'am.
All right. So this is fine. Any questions?
Ma'am, do you have any questions?
I will show you, ma'am, one best part what we have implemented recently, ma'am. Hello.
सॉरी,
आपने
हाँ बताइए।
I will just, you were seeing something in this QR code scanner for the employee feedback, ma'am, which we have implemented looking at the COVID scenario.
अच्छा, ओके,
Student, because this is a complete contactless, ma'am. The student can scan the from their any app from Paytm, Google Pay, or any scanner, and they can give the feedback instantly, ma'am.
ओके।
completely
सो
contactless.
देयर इज अ कांस्टेंट फीडबैक क्यूआर कोड से के
Yes.
आप फीडबैक
Yes.
भी दे सकते हैं
Yeah,
ऑन
how
द।
it how it looks, ma'am. I'll just show you the screen.
Oh no, that's fine.
It,
Now, no, that's
Ma'am,
fine.
I'll
We
tell you the benefit of this QR code system actually. So earlier we used to have a tab-based system where there is a time limitation. अगर उसमें एक बंदा अपना feedback दे रहा है तो other person has to wait for that part. But now we have this QR code based feedback system. So we have placed this QR code at around 3 and 4 multiple places. Anybody can scan this QR code any number of times and share their feedback.
ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन
And
है
entire data
पसनीमा,
will be stored on.
एक मिनट,
Yeah,
एक
sure.
मिनट, एक, हाँ,
On an average, how much a student pays per month?
मेस बिल
For the food?
कितना है टिपिकली?
Ma'am, last year the mess bill was for 10 months is 62,000 rupees and half year is 31,000 rupees. This year we have increased a fees and the fees is for current year is 65,000 rupees plus taxes. Taxes is inclusive in the bill. 65,000.
65,000 for 10 months, right?
10 months, ma'am.
So 6,500 per month.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Is that right? That is for
Yes,
the
sir.
basic food. Basic mess.
That is for the food
Food, ma'am.
and room rent.
Room is different, ma'am. I'll
Acha,
show
room.
you the
How much
Yes.
is that room?
room is for double occupancy is 1,40,000 rupees for 10 months.
1,40,000.
1,40,000.
Oh, expensive. Private में, हाँ, yeah. ठीक है, हाँ, attached bathroom.
One thing is actually the building is owned by the Manipal University, right?
Right, sir. It is
Do you pay
Manipal building.
something to them when you charge to the student directly?
Yes, ma'am. They are charging us. They are charging from us the collecting charges from student. They charge the fees from student, and they pay back us.
Okay.
That is the charge they charge from us.
Okay, now can you show us some common areas in the hostel? आपने कमरे तो दिखा दिए, पर टीवी रूम और इस किस्म के जो आपके कोई कॉमन एरियाज भी हैं, लाइब्रेरी इस तरह के बच्चों के हैं हॉस्टल में?
Yes,
Sure,
ma'am.
ma'am, sure.
Very
Can you
quickly.
ask Deepak to show that area, please?
Very quickly.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, Shinu.
Yeah, 1 minute. Library.
Yeah. Ma'am, just a second. Shinu is at the hostel itself. He's showing you.
Atul, in the meantime, Deepak will be showing the common washroom.
Sure, sure. Deepak, can you switch on your camera, please?
Deepak, please unmute. Unmute her.
पता नहीं कौन बोल रहा है, पूछ लीजिए।
It's now visible, sir.
हाँ जी, बताइए।
No, Deepak.
Ma'am, this is a common washroom. Basically, this is a gents' common washroom in which we have two sections. One is the urinal section.
नहीं, बाथरूम्स नहीं देखने हमें प्लीज, इट्स वेरी सिकनिंग। कॉमन एरियाज दिखाइए जो जब आपके पास अटैच्ड है तो उसके अलावा भी ये कॉमन बाथरूम्स हैं। ये इधर फूड कोर्ट में होंगे, फूड कोर्ट वगैरह में है।
दीपक मैम को कुछ हमें कॉमन फैसिलिटीज देखना है, लाइक योर लाइब्रेरी रूम, कॉमन रूम, टीवी रूम।
हाँ, टीवी रूम जहाँ बच्चे
show them.
लाउंज करते हैं, कुछ ऑफिसेस होंगे ना आपके
Ma'am,
नीचे।
ma'am, actually, library is common in the academic building only because other side of the road is academics. So
ओके,
there is no.
तो कॉमन यहाँ पर कोई कॉमन फैसिलिटी नहीं है, टीवी रूम नहीं है बच्चों का।
So this is a common room.
हाँ, जिम होगा, जिम है,
Gym है वो, that is a gym is common. But actually that is in the food court. Manish, can you help us? Manish?
Which one?
For gym.
Gym is currently, ma'am, closed due to pandemic.
Okay.
And there is swimming pool as well as it is also closed due to pandemic.
Common room where students will come here and gather.
ये क्या है?
Common room.
This is the common room, ma'am.
फोकस करिए थोड़ा, वी कांट सी एनीथिंग। कैमरा सीधा करो। हाँ,
शीनू कैमरा सीधा करके थोड़ा स्लोली मूव कीजिए प्लीज कैमरा।
ठीक है, अब ठीक है। नाउ वी कैन सी। So this is the TV, and can we see what sofas and things are there?
As of now, they have removed the chairs because no students are there in the room.
Okay.
The sofa is lying here.
ये सिंपल ही है।
इसमें वो है कैफीन का।
हमने टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ डिनर बता दिया है ना।
इंडस्ट्री कॉस्ट
1200 बच्चों के लिए 3 साल।
मान लो इसके 45 को जोड़ोगे तो क्या होगा?
नहीं तो नहीं हो सकता, फिर तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, टेंडर ही कैंसिल हो जाएगा।
नहीं इसके बाद 10% ऊपर जा सकते हो।
तो बस अगर वो हो गया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा।
So this is the common room for the students, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Anything else? Shamim ji?
Yeah, just one question. How much Manipal pays you for the food per student per month?
Ma'am, sir, we take 65,000 rupees from student only, nothing else from Manipal.
For the mess, student pays directly to you, but for the room they pay to the Manipal University?
Yeah. For mess fees, they paid directly to Manipal, and we billed to Manipal. Then they pay back us for student fees.
So on what basis do you bill 5,000 per student per month?
Yes, sir. The students are here. The mess is mandatory for all the hostelers.
Yes.
And all 5,000, those who are staying in the hostel, they have to pay 65,000 rupees yearly, 10 months.
Oh, okay.
It's a 6,000 pounds.
So a student is paying almost 6,000 rupees per month only for the mess?
Per month.
Huh?
Inclusive of taxes.
Yeah, of course, whatever it is. Ultimately, it is from his pocket. Okay.
We serve 4 times non-veg in the dinner, 4 times paneer in the dinner, and sweet dishes are there in the dinner. And breakfast are fish like a 3-star hotel. We serve breakfast.
It's much more lavish. नहीं, वो तो उसमें सारा नॉन वेज और वो भी इंक्लूडेड है ना। हाँ,
Unlimited.
उतना तो हम भी ले रहे हैं।
All the meals are unlimited.
अभी हाँ, और क्या?
नहीं, वो तो अभी वैसे ले रहे हो ना, ऑन डेली।
ठीक है। इनसे कुछ और क्वेश्चन पूछना? एनीबॉडी?
Any questions?
So I think then that's all. Thank you, Atul and team.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah,
It's
thank you
always a
very
pleasure.
much for a detail this thing. Thank you very much. So is the are we now interested in looking at the Manipal? तो मेरे ख्याल से अब हमें वो दूसरा साइड देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपने इतना डिटेल हमको इसमें लाइव करवा दिया है. तो प्लीज टेल योर टीम दैट दैट इज नॉट नीडेड नाउ.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Is that okay? Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll do one thing, ma'am. I'll share one link of a video so that it's a 10 minutes video that could actually give you a better feel about that Mahi
ठीक है.
Manipal, ma'am.
दिखा दीजिए. दिखा दीजिए.
MIT.
तो मैं आपको शेयर कर दूं या अभी दिखा
We
दूं
will
आपके
share
सामने?
that, ma'am.
दिखा रहे हैं अभी या भेजेंगे?
It is all
We will
up to you,
share
ma'am.
you,
I can
ma'am.
share a link through mail. You can see it as
All
per your
right.
convenience.
ठीक है. ठीक है. Fine. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
मैं चाहता हूँ